Hello, welcome to Lingchen Dental. In clinic, the compressor always with heavy using. To compare with the previous compressor, the new one we made the following upgrades. First, we add two safety on the compressor. The inside one is motor heat safety, and outside is electric safety. Wire overload, it will jump to protect the compressor from burns. As many countries, the electric is not stable, and low electric is much worse than high electric, which always will lead to compressor broken. Second, we know for the compressor motor, it has two types, fast and slow. This one is the fast type. It means the airflow would be much bigger. To fulfill the tank, now the time is 2.8 minutes, and the old one was 3.8 minutes. 1 minute difference, saving time 33%. Third, from the engineering testing, now the current is from 4.7 to 5.2 ampere, and the previous one was 7.2 amperes. The low current means much stable. And finally, we talk about the tank. The internal tank from the new type with painting, preventing the rustic and ensuring the air comes is clean. And from the generally, it is same. The motor 1100 watts and with wheels, handle moving, and with the respect drainage. Now you know about our new compressor. Lingchen Dental, easy to dentist.